really starting to stick. It's coming down pretty hard, and it's only going to get worse from here. Okay, conditions deteriorating quickly. We're in northeastern Dewey County, near Sealing, Oklahoma. It's getting pretty bad. The visibility has gone way down. Very slick road, pulling us all over the place. Oh, drive safely. That's a nice sign to see. So, we'll see what happens in Sealing. Well, we've made it this far. I've got to think that it gets a lot worse ahead of here. And we heard that OHP had the road closed here at the county line, but apparently they do not. So we'll see how it goes. Stuck in the snow here. Looks like sheriffs have already been out here. Hopefully this person wasn't injured. Okay, we're in full whiteout conditions now. We may have a semi stuck or stalled or something. I'm not sure. There's people out in the road. I think it's a highway patrolman up there with him. Yeah, it's a highway patrolman. I'm gonna pull the... It's one of those big scoops. I guess we just gotta give him his space.
Yeah, sure. Right here, it's pretty solid, but there are cars behind me. Keep going. Give it a slider. Oh, he's just doing it with the blade.
Yeah. We got somebody off the road up here. They've already been attended to.
Oh, they're just going up there to check on him and help him.
Yeah. Pull up. There's nobody else
I'm
around.
gonna get on the right side of the road where we got a downhill to work with going left.
Yeah, but there's a big snowbank on the right.
I know, but I'm gonna pull over about where he's at. And yeah, they got a tow strap there too.
So the truck's totally stuck.
Oh! Did you see that?
No.
The hay truck just slid completely sideways down to the left on the road.
Well, I got it on film. I didn't see it. I wasn't watching. But
I got somebody else coming up behind me. Someone put the hazards on.
Yeah, good idea.
I'm gonna pump the brakes when they get close to.
Dang, I hope they don't plow right into us.
They're going really slow.
I would hope. I think we're well over a foot of snow at this point. It's real hard to tell, there's so much drifting. And occasionally something will come along and we can really see how much is accumulated. Heading into Woodward shortly. Yeah. These kids are rolling the biggest snowball I have ever seen in my life. Hi. Downtown Woodward, Oklahoma. Complete whiteout. Visibility is very low. There's a snowman being yeah. Nice. should have put cheese on it. Can't see much out here. Just white everywhere you look. We're just outside Woodward, Oklahoma. February 25th, 2013. I guess that's one way to get around. I don't know how we're gonna get out of here. Got a motor trying to dig out where we can try to get turned around and get back to Woodward. It is an absolute nightmare out here.
Just get into that one, we can move.
Yeah. All right, from the lobby of the Woodward Hotel. Still quite the blizzard out here. Lots and lots of snow. Real hard to tell how much there is, but substantial. Didn't plan on staying here for the night, but you just never know.